Okay, so recording is happened. Okay, so recording. So today we can see the how to create a user and group. So once I can go to the my Azure portal. Okay, so this is my Azure portal. Okay, so what I want to do first, go to the options. So you want to know what are the options are available in the Azure portal. So first one, see this default directory. So default tenant is available here. Okay, if you click here, you can get the default directory and default tenant is available. Okay, so what I want to do, go to the resource, go to the home page. So this is your home page. So this is the Azure services. So what are the Azure services are available here? You can able to see your Azure services here. Okay, then navigate. So this is a subscription, resource group and all the resource group object. Okay, then what you want to do
Sir?
means yeah ma.
I'm not able to see the screen.
Oh sorry, I cannot share my screen. Now is possible to see?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So go to the console. So this is my Azure portal. Okay. So this Azure portal. So I can see the options. What are the options are available? First you want to know. So this is a default tenant and a default directory. Okay. You can get the default tenant and the default directory. You can get it here. Okay. So this options is the basic options. Okay. It is a very basic option. First option is the feedback option. So what do you want to give any feedback to your Microsoft Office? Microsoft, you can give the feedback here. Okay, so for example, any service is not properly working or some problem you are having in the service. Okay, give the feedback here. Okay, so second option is the. So this is the very important for your real-time scenario. For example, if you have any point of view for having any doubts or you want to clarify the doubts, go to the help. Okay, you can have the n number of the options. Okay, based on the option you can able to get the help from your Microsoft support team. Okay, so let's go to the second option. So portal settings. So the portal settings, there is having a n number of the option. One is the looking switch to the directories, the file subscriptions. If you like click means you can able to get the default subscription filter. So we are not having any new subscription, we can have the free subscription only. Okay, so then we can have the configuring the directory level timeout. So if you have process, okay, you can able to give the time duration also. If I give for example after 30 minutes my portal want to sign out. Okay, if you give that type of the manner also. For example, if you working there, so you have the some meeting or you want to do the after 30 second you want to go or outside means you can give the time fixation here. So whatever you want you can fix. It is a custom duration also available here. You can give the custom duration. So this is the dashboard. So then is the portal dashboard. So you can able to give the directory portal. So then we can have the themes also. We can change the themes. Whatever the theme you want, you can change the themes also here. So the theme I can select this one. Okay, so closest. Then go to the notification. So the notification, if you do any type of the process here, you can get the notification from here. So what are the notification, what are the process you are doing here, you can easily get from the notification. Okay, so then second option, So there is directory and a subscription filter. So we are not having any other subscription. So we have the free subscription and the default directory only. So this option is very cool. For one is the cloud shell. So the cloud shell is, so you know the PowerShell as well as you know the Bash shell scripting. You can use the PowerShell here. Okay, so what are the things you can want to deploy here? So based on the command line interface, you can able to deploy here also. Okay, so based on the deployment, you can able to do. So I don't know the CLS one command I can know. So what you know, anybody, if you know the PowerShell command, so you can use the PowerShell. So go to the Bash shell also. So it is having a Bash shell as well as the PowerShell. Go to the Bash shell. So give confirm. So this automatically change to the Bash shell scripting. So for example, if I give pwd command, okay, you can get the command here. Okay, give ls. So ls, I can get the resources. So you know the Linux per platform person, you want to work with the cloud environmental, you can choose the any type of the Bash shell scripting. So or else if you well wished in the PowerShell means navigated to the PowerShell command. Okay, so that is having options here. So what are the options means we can able to so you can able to give the import file also. Okay, you want to download the file or you want to upload the file. For example, you write in the script, okay, the any other PowerShell text editor, okay, that shell script you want to deploy your cloud environmental means you can use the upload command. Okay, then upload, you can deploy your script language. Okay, so that is the purpose we are using this PowerShells. Okay, so this is a basic tools we are using in the real time. So in this case, what we want to do here, so Azure Active Directory. So go to the Azure Directory, Active Directory. So this is our actual things. So see, there is having options are available here. So what do you want to do? We want to create a user and we want to create a group. That is the primary thing in your Active Directory service. Okay, so there is not having a enable. So this is a default tenant, default thing is are available. Okay, so you want to do some type of the process. For example, we have the Azure Active Directory editions, we have the free version only. So the free version means up to you can possible to do B2B collaboration only. So this is the possible way for you to do the practical purpose. So only this type of the process we can able to do here because of we are having a free subscription. So in this case, what we want to do in the today's scenario, so first we want to create a user now. So see, there is having options here. Okay, so in this manage options, go to the user. So the default there is sweetie, it's one of the user. So I want to create a new user here. So go to the new user. So see, there is having a two options. One is the invite user, another one is the create user. Okay, so in this case the invite user means it is based on the inverter. So any other outside people they want to access the service means we can give the invite user. So I will create a new user here. Go to the create new user and see, this is a very important thing. So here we have the name. So I can give the name cloud RAM. So I can give the RAM name. Okay, so see, this is a very important thing. So default they will have the sweetie k3107 gmail dot, okay, gmail dot on microsoft.com. Okay, so this is the your domain. So this domain you are adding your user here. So the real-time company scenario, if you go to the company means, say every company having a different domains. So in this case, what do you want to do? We want to do the custom domain here. Custom means you have the routable domain name. Okay, what is the routable domain name? Any idea? What is the routable domain name? You can able to access the internet. You can able to access the internet, that is called a routable domain. So if you have the routable domain, you can give your domain name here. So that is called a custom domain. Later on we will see how to create a custom domain. Now we can give the default domain. So default domain is, this is a default domain. Then if we want to give the name, same name I can give here. Okay, then what I want to give? So I want to generate the password. If you show the password, it is given by the auto generated, means this given by the Azure AD. So I want to create my own custom password. So go to down, you can create a custom password. So I can give my password here. Okay, so see, come. So the roles, groups and roles. So this is a very important here. So there is having option here. So the groups as well as there is having a roles here. So the groups means we are not created any groups now. Okay, if you have the group, you can select the group here. So the role means, so this role, so for example, if I give user, if I give to the user the roles, there is having n number of the roles are available. Okay, for example, if you give to the application administrator, or if you go to the application developer. Okay, so for example, if you have the team leader, you can team leader also, we can create a user. So that team leader is depends on the which administrator role. Okay, either the Azure DevOps administrator, or for example, what type of administrator role you want to give the person, means you can able to give here. So in this case, we are not giving any type of the role here, because of it is a normal user only. Okay, so what do you want to do? Then second one is the use the location. So what are the locations or you want to give? You can give, but I want to give the India. Okay, then you can create a user. Role vendidilla. So we can get the user now. Okay, so same thing you can create a other user also, same manner. For create a user, I can give the Ravi. Same thing if you give the Ravi also. So I can give the auto create a one password. I can give password. So and I am not giving any roles and groups as here. So just I can come here. So I forgot this one before. So job title. So job title means what type of the title we want to give. DevOps. So department means IAST. Sorry, department means IT. So company name is I can give IAST. That's all. So they can give the created now. So that's all. Your group is created. So user is created now. Okay, it is a very simple thing. You can able to create a user. Likewise, this is the manner. Okay, then what do you want to do? Then second step, you want to create a any doubt in the user creation?
No, sir.
Okay. Then go to the default directory. Then I want to create a group now. Okay. So go to the groups. So now we are not having any groups is here. So I want to create a new group. Create a new group. So see, there is having a two option. If you go to the group, so the group type, there is having a two options. One is a security group, another one is a Microsoft 365 group. Okay, same it will come under the ADDS. If you go to the on-premise data center also, the group is also having a two primary divisions. What is the division? What is the two divisions in the groups in a on-prem data center? Security group. Any idea?
OUs.
No. Group type. There is a two type of the groups are available in your on-prem data center.
Members and groups.
No. Do two types of the groups. So how many there are two primary types group. One is a security group, another one is a distribution group. Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay. Primary group, it will come, the security group, it will come under the users and schemas. They will managing the user schemas. Okay. So distribution group, you want to manage only the mail server. Okay. So the mail server, there is having a service oriented management. Okay, that is called a distribution group. Same scenario it will having in the Azure AD also. There is having a two option. One is the security group, another one is a Microsoft 365 group. Microsoft 365 means if I give that the Microsoft 365, it will manage the Microsoft 365 services. What are the services are available in the Microsoft 365, PowerPoint, Excel? What are the services are available there? You can give the credential for your user there. So I cannot give any type of the Microsoft 365. I can give the security group. So I can give the security group name Cloud Admin. Same group description, I can give Cloud Admin. So the membership type. So see, there is having a membership type. If we go to the membership type, it will not come, I think. So because of we are having a free version. So there is having a two option. One is the dynamic group, another one is a assigned group. So the dynamic group means you have the enterprise edition level. You have the credential means you can use the dynamic group. If you go to company, the company they will have the dynamic group. So what is the difference between the assigned group and dynamic group means if you go to the dynamic group, you can whoever the user, you can give the permission, the persons are automatically synchronized with your this security group. We are not synchronizing manually, we want to give, so it is not a automatically, we want to give manually for your synchronization. Okay, that is a very important thing. So owners, we are not selecting any type of the owners here. So same members also, we are not selecting any members. So create a group now. Okay, you are created the group. So what do you want to do? We want to add a user into the group now. So go to the Cloud Admin. So group. So see, if I go to members, so it is not having any member in your group. So go to the add members. So you want to give the name Ram. So I can select the Ram here. Then I can give Ravi. I can give the Ravi also. So you can add the two members. Not open. Ram and Ravi. So I can want to select the so it's not getting, maybe So it is not getting here because of it's a down state we are having. Hmm.
And besides the stop sharing,
Yeah.
I think there is a one hide. Hide, when you hide
I can give select.
So, group enable பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் add your members.
Add members.
for in the same group, two groups is there, sir. Dynamic group and one more.
Dynamic group. So wait. So go to the properties. So overview. So the members, if you see the members, there is having a 2 members here. Okay. So this is the basic how to create a user and a group for your method. Okay. So this is the primary, very basic level for you are giving the adding the user and adding the groups. Okay. So any doubt?
Sir, can you once again tell me how you added the members?
Yeah. Okay. So I can remove the users. Okay. So I can remove the users. Okay. So if I go to the default directory service, so default directory service, go to the groups. So the group, go to the open the group now. So go to the open the group. It is a global group. Okay, global authority group. Then go to the members. So the members, it's not having any person in the in the group. So go to the add member. So in this add member, you can give the name. I can type here Ram, and I can give Ravi. So I can Ram and Ravi, I can give means it is beside the stop sharing. Hide. Okay. So I can give select now. Okay. So I can say can select automatically. Your Ram and Ravi user will added here. Okay. This is a basic added the user in the group. Okay. So now you are getting now.
Yeah, sir, understood.
Okay. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So I will.
Sir, what is the main? So to create the user, we should also create the group.
Yeah.
What? All the users will be will be part of the group or?
Yeah. Definitely. Every user, it is a part of the group only. So it is not a for example, if a user become the any type, okay, so that user, it will become the device as well as it will become the member also. Okay, so it will come under the group only. So based on the group, you can able to monitor the persons. Yeah.
These are the security and distribution list groups or just a general group?
So this is a distribution group. This is a security group. This is a security group. We are creating the security group here.
Okay.
There is a
So
two
we
type
cannot
of the.
create a user without adding them to any security or distribution list group.
Which one?
So if I want to create a group, but I don't want them to add any groups to that user as of now, because I have not decided to which team that person. So
Yeah. It is not. Actually, user, you want to give the group means that is the mandatory. Okay, when is mandatory means that user. So that user is dependency on your any type of the group only you can able to assign. So before you can create a user, just you can leave it that user. Okay. So once you
without adding to any
without not adding to user, that is not a issue, any not having any problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay, you have, I think, see, that is having a notification here. So go to the notification, each and every what are the process you are doing, you can getting updation here. Okay, so only the notification, every time you can go to the notification and you can see the notification. Okay, so I can stop my recording now. Okay.